Supply Chain Management Certificate. Is a supply chain certificate worth it? A supply chain management certificate demonstrates your expertise as well as business abilities by boosting your competence in supply chain monitoring techniques. This certification gives you a detailed understanding of exactly how the supply chain is incorporated in areas of planning, manufacturing, and also delivering the product. Supply Chain Management Certificate is developed for a selection of people involved with supply chains and logistics consisting of execs, supervisors, engineers, analysts, experts, organizers, manufacturing, industrial, as well as process designers, along with managers of getting, operations, production, storage facilities, and group leaders. Benefits of Supply Chain Management Certificate. Improves hiring potential. Supplies are walking in salary. Gives you the qualities called for to boost your professional value. Takes full advantage of the ERP investments of your company. Enables you to raise and retain customer complete satisfaction. Take care of efficiently end-to-end supply activities. About Supply Chain Management Certificate. Supply Chain Management Certificate is one of the most demanded certification courses in UAE at the moment. CLSCMP course provides basic and advanced skills about cargo, logistics and supply chain, purchasing, procurement, inventory, material, transportation, shipping, import and export, letter of credit, LC, documentation, ISM, APICS, etc. The Logistics and Supply Chain Administration training course covers the core ideas of supply chain monitoring. The program is meant for those specialists desiring to construct a job in supply chain administration. Significance of Logistic and Supply Chain Management Certification in 2021. Supply Chain Management Certificate teaches between industry to the customer, purchasing, suppliers, and other partners. Logistic and supply chain management is an important element of supply chain administration. Companies see logistics as a vital blueprint of the supply chain. It is used to handle, work with and also keep an eye on resources needed to move products in a smooth, timely, cost-effective, and also dependable manner. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking supply chain management certificate in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best logistic and supply chain management exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Logistic and supply chain management exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for logistic and supply chain management training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/